So the big question, is this system worth the hype? What's up, Diva? So today I wanted to pretty much be showing you guys an updated skin routine. As you guys know, I do keep things simple. If you have not seen my previous skincare routine, I'm gonna leave it up top so you guys can go and check it out. Now, Duvolle was nice enough to send over their Radiant skincare system, so I will be reviewing this product for you guys, giving my honest opinion and letting you guys know if it's really worth the hype. So pretty much with this spin brush, it helps to exfoliate and cleanse your skin, which also helps to remove dirt, makeup, and excess oil more thoroughly than a regular washcloth. So with this product, it do come with 4 different brushes as well as your spin brush. So I'm going to go ahead and take everything out of the packaging so you guys can see what comes. So when you guys open your package, you do get an instruction manual, and this is how the kit looks outside of the box. So the first 2 brushes right here are your facial exfoliating brush as well as your facial cleansing brush. When exfoliating your face, you help to improve your skin appearance, which also allows your skin to absorb skin products after washing. So the last 2 brushes, which is here and here, can be used on your body. This brush is the large body cleansing brush, and this is a Pumice Stone. So not only are you guys showing love to your face, you're also showing love to your body as well. The Pumice Stone helps smooth out those rough areas like your elbows, your knees, your feet, and even a little old ankle bone. So the next item, which is right here, is the Radiant Skincare Brush. Now that brush is waterproof and can be used in a shower. It also takes AA batteries, so you ladies do not have to worry about using a charger to charge the device. So I'm going to be using this product for a couple of days. I'm going to show you guys how I use it, and then I'm going to give you guys my final thoughts. Okay, ladies, so I'm going to be giving you guys my thoughts on this Radiant skincare system. So I have been using this system for about a month now. It seems like just yesterday I got my package. And guys, when I tell you, I've never experienced a product like this before. This product is so different from using your hand, exfoliating pads, or like a washcloth. This system actually gets the job done. So I'm going to run through all the brushes and, you know, tell you guys what I thought about them as well as the products that I use. It really do feel like I'm giving my face a mini facial, and I have used this morning and night. So I do use it 2 times a day on a daily basis. So the first 2 brushes I'm going to start off with is the exfoliating brush and the cleansing brush. Now with the exfoliating brush and the cleansing brush, whatever brush I felt to use at the moment, that would be the brush that I would normally grab for. But for the exfoliating brush, my face did feel really smooth, and with that brush I felt like I got a really deep clean. Now I did use Target exfoliating scrub. Now this was my first time trying out the product, and I can honestly say I do like the smell of it. Now for the cleansing brush, I do love how this product, it just foams perfectly on the brush. Now normally when I would use a product like this, I wouldn't get as much foam as I did while using the brush when using my hands. Now the cleansing brush, it gets the job done. Like, it really cleans my skin perfectly. Now from what I thought I got all the makeup off, apparently I didn't, because after using that brush, all of the makeup residue was on the brush. Now I can say the brush bristles are really easy to clean. I rinse it off. I just go back in with some warm soap and water, and all the residue of the brush rinses right off with no problem. Now normally with my skincare regimen, I keep everything really simple. So it was my first time using this deep clean toner. I like how it smelled, and it did not leave my face feeling dry. I'm gonna continue using a toner because I really do like how it works with my skin. I normally have sensitive skin. My skin is not problematic. I normally get hormonal acne, but that's pretty much the only type of acne that I do get. I've been using this travel packet off and on for about a year now, and I like it because it caters to sensitive skin. The cleanser doesn't irritate my face at all. The oil is thick, but it leaves my skin feeling very hydrated. And the 2 creams leave me with a moisturized face. Now we're going to talk about the body brush. The body brush really did amaze me because I have used exfoliating brushes before, and like I said, my skin is really sensitive, and some exfoliating brushes are really too hard, and it leaves my skin feeling irritated and red as well. But with this body brush, the bristles wasn't too bad at all when it came to cleansing my skin. I didn't get irritated. When you use this body brush, you can literally see all of the dead skin on this brush after using it. But I'm telling you, after you rinse your body is gonna feel baby soft. I really feel like this is a at-home spa. Like, I'm getting love to my face, I'm getting love to my body. Like, what girl doesn't love that? So last but not least, we're going to talk about is the Pumice Stone. Now the Pumice Stone was my least favorite brush. Now I only say it was my least favorite brush because I feel like it could have been more aggressive. Like, you know, when you try Pumice Stones, you know, they're really hard and, you know, aggressive. This one was like really smooth to touch. So I feel like for a Pumice Stone, it needs to be more aggressive and more harder, because you are using this brush to, you know, clean up those rough spots like your elbows, your knees, that ankle bone. So I feel like this pumice brush could have been a lot more aggressive, but overall it's really not a bad brush. It just needs to be more aggressive. But I do like this skincare system because, like I said, I do have really sensitive skin. So to get the best use out of using this system, it's best to wet your brush first and then add your face wash because it'll foam up lovely. Now with that being said, if you ladies want to snag up this skincare system, I do have a special surprise for you. You can also use the code DB70 to get 70% off your purchase. Now this skincare system retails for about $100. You use that code, your total is gonna come out $28. That is a steal. So if you guys are looking for some affordable Christmas gifts, or you want to just your skincare regimen, definitely use the code in the description box as well as on the screen for 70% off your purchase. So the big question, is this system worth the hype? It is really worth the hype. It gets the job done. It leaves your face feeling really smooth, really soft, really cleansed. And same thing goes for your body. But that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. And if you do like content like this, don't forget to smash that like button as well as subscribe. And also check out the description box for all the information on where to get your skincare system from, as well as use that coupon code to get 70% off your purchase. But like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. And I'll talk to y'all later.